Hey guys, it's your girl Kyra here, and I am back with another video. And I just wanted to show you guys, this is the slime. So, if I just place my camera right here. So, it's not working. Oh my god. Okay, you guys can see. So guys, this video might cut off, so don't blame me. I'm just trying my best.